Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. All right, so listen, Monday Madness. Had a couple drop today. I think that are pretty good, but one I want you to take a look at. I didn't really get into it last week because it dropped after um, Marketing Monday. Monday Madness. So listen, LeadPal. I'm only going to tell you this once, right? This offer ends in a day. I think this is worth you looking into. I did not get a chance to do a video on this because let's just say it was deeper than I thought and it was better than I thought. So just take a look at this tool. This is a tool that you do not need to, I think it's very good for opt-ins, but I think if you're doing not drip, but if you're doing any type of lead magnets, I think this is a perfect tool to use this. I think you can probably get away with a plan 2 if you wanted to pick this up. Actually, you can get away with a plan 1. Actually, I stand corrected. You can get away with a plan 1. I think this deserves this $39 purchase. You will thank me later. Trust me, this is a very, very nice pickup. I liked it. I enjoy it. Right. And I deployed it over the weekend. I don't have time to get into some of the videos and some of the features, but I just wanted you, for all the madness that's here, I wanted you to kind of separate a little bit. And I did look at a few tools here. So let's see, they got Tarvent that came, Persona came back, Persona Music came back, Rocky AI, Find Guide, Insert Chat has been there, ChatPlayground AI, AI toolbar is there. Let me tell you what I'm looking at today. I'm looking at Tarvent, and I also picked up Playground AI. I'm definitely going to take a look at that. What Playground AI allows you to do, it allows you to put in one, you put in one prompt here, and you can see all the different responses here, Claude, Gemini, Lima, Perplexity, Bing, Copilot. It allows you to look at all the responses from one prompt, all at the same time. So up to 6, I think I've seen it where you can display 4 at a time. I think you can display all 6 at a time. And I think this is your layout here where you can kind of see how you want them responded. So I did pick this up. I want to say I picked up a tier 2 of this. This is something different, right? I mean, there's a lot of AI prompts and things like that. What I'm not going for is I'm not going for all the queries. I don't need to do that because I have a couple of different tools. So I don't have to go for high queries more than just, hey, can I at least bring my own key? And then can I do my own searches, right? So I did pick this up. Like I said, I think I picked up a tier 2 on this. The one I want to concentrate on, and I'm probably going to go live with this and probably do a demo. We'll probably do a live walkthrough in this. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're at least a member, I think, of at least a Hack Pack 2 or above. You'll be able to see the live demo. But that is with Tarvent, right? And here's the funny thing about this. The Tarvent it's a Plus exclusive. Tarvent is now available for Appsumo Plus members as early access for $59. Price increases at $8.28. Here is the reason why, right? So for general access, can get this at $8.28. You can get it now for $59. It's going to probably go up about $10. So it'll probably be either $69 or $79, right? It's either $69 or $79. I don't know. I haven't been measuring the increases as much, but I'm wanting to say it's about $10, no more than $20 per tier. This is a very nice tool based on the features. I did purchase this. I have not unlocked it yet. And like I said, I'm going to go live. So make sure you subscribe. I'm going to go live and I'll go behind the scenes. And we're going to walk through this together and see what we like about this tool. That is something that we're going to do. I think I ended up getting a tier 3. And with the tier 3, you're going to get 1,000 credits every month that resets, which I can appreciate. This is for transactional emails. Transactional emails are non-marketing emails. They're very, because when a person says we're going to give you a certain amount of transactional emails, that means it's going to go through a different server on their side. So it's a more protected server from what I've noticed. What people have is this, hey, you're going to get these 1,000 credits for non-transactional emails. So all the other emails, 10,000 or so, are non-transactional emails. All right. So you're going to get unlimited webhooks, unlimited surveys, unlimited emails to contacts. So what that basically means, you can send 10,000 emails, over 10,000 emails, or unlimited emails, but you only have 10,000 contacts, right? And that's how people with these types of tools make their money. It's either with the contacts or the emails. So in this particular case, this is, hey, you can have 10,000 contacts, you can send unlimited emails to them. So I think that's fair. I think a nice sweet deal for this is probably looking at least a tier 3 if you wanted to get started. Now, this tool I think is very good if you do not have a VBOUT, or if you do not have just a regular emailer, right? You don't use ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, SendGrid. I think what I'm looking at for this tool, I have not fully rolled it out yet. And there's sometimes I'll talk about tools and I'll say on Monday Madness, I'll talk about these tools, but you never see me do a video on them. That means that I've probably either returned them or I don't think that they're worthy of your time. So I just want you to know that, or I've already did a video for them, but they're for my members only because the tool is just that good. But this tool actually has sequences and things of that nature. For the unlimited webhooks and the sequences, I think if you were not able to get any of those other mailers like a VBOUT or some of those other mailers, I think this is a very good replacement for it. Just seeing it on the surface and what you can do and the builder, I think this is a very, very good deal. And trust me, they don't have this like this. I think Appsumo knows this too, right? So they know that this is going to be a killer deal. You cannot say I didn't tell you, right? You have these advanced journeys. You can split, optimize email sending, right? You can do a lot of testing, advanced conditional branding. You get the landing pages. To me, if this tool does what I think it can do, let me see. Ooh, I don't know. I'm not gonna do $8.99, although $8.99 is probably an annual price for some of these other tools out here. I can't see putting $8.99. This is just me personally. I can't see putting $8.99 into a lifetime deal at this stage, right? And where we're at with some of these different founders just starting up and just having all these different problems. I just don't see that. I do like that the founder put his face there. Kind of looks like Tom Arnold a little bit. And I've checked out his founder's LinkedIn. So yeah, just I don't know. $8.99. Again, if you're already paying monthly for an emailer, this may be worth it if you come in and test it out. I think I would probably spend, I don't even know if I'm going to do I don't need to do 30,000 contacts. I think the sweet spot for me is probably the tier 3 because I have VBOUT. I have all those other ones as well. But I'm always looking for those that I can do the work a lot faster and I have a faster build out. So to me, I would probably do, if I have VBOUT, have all those other ones, a tier 3. If I don't have VBOUT, I think a tier 4 is definitely worth your money. But I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna dig deeper. Like I said, I'm gonna do this live on my channel. Probably if you catch it live, you catch it. If not, you probably at least need to be a Hack Pack member 2 or above. I think it's $5 a month to be to have access to that. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Man, this is a pretty nice Monday. Definitely going to show the ChatPlayground AI. I'm going to probably do that. Going to let you take a look at that. And as we wrap this up, don't want to make this too long. I think I did a tier 2 just to start it off. I think that's probably about the most I'm going to do. I don't need anything more than 600 queries. I do think that this is going to affect my Merlin, right? I do think I do think Merlin is going to probably take a back seat to something that, because this has a plugin as well, but this is giving me all 4 to 6 different GPTs or large language models all at the same time. So this is doing something a little bit different. This is a young company though. That's why I'm not going to I mean, 129, I'll invest in them. It's a young company. This guy started this while he was doing research at UC Berkeley. Again, this is a young company. I am definitely not going to soak a lot into this, but I do like the fact that I can see all 4 at one time. Definitely deserves me to take a look at it, or 6. So you can look at all 4 of them. I may do a later video on this to dive a little deeper. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones, Monday Madness. Hey, when you get a chance, if you wanted to, check out my Marketing Mondays. I kept mentioning Marketing Mondays because that's when I do an actual, I do a small podcast on Marketing Mondays, talking about marketing concepts, different ways to grow your business, and giving you different elements to kind of jumpstart your week in your entrepreneurship journey. This has been Jenny Jones. Take care. Goodbye for now.